pumpkin seed oil benefits with treatment. Benefits: full of valuable nutrients, high in antioxidants, linked to a reduced risk of certain cancers, improve prostate and bladder health, very high in magnesium, may improve heart health, can lower blood sugar levels, high in fiber, may improve sperm quality, may help improve sleep, easy to add to your diet. Now Foods Pumpkin Seed Oil Review. Description: Nutritional oil, essential fatty acids and phytosterols, non-GMO, cold-pressed, a dietary supplement. Nutritional Oils, family-owned since 1968, GMP Quality Assured. Suggested use: take 2 softgels 1 to 2 times daily with food. Other ingredients: softgel capsule, gelatin, water, glycerin. Manufactured with yeast, wheat, gluten, soy, milk, egg, fish or shellfish ingredients. Produced in a GMP facility that processes other ingredients containing these allergens. Warnings: caution, for adults only. Consult physician if pregnant, nursing, taking medication, or have a medical condition. Keep out of reach of children. Natural color variation may occur in this product. Store in a cool, dry place after opening. Customer reviews. For discount and more reviews, click link in description.